For beginner phrases, 10 ways to say hello and goodbye. Number 1. Hello. 2. Hi. 3. Informal. Hey. 4. Hi there. 5. Informal. Howdy. 6. Bye. 7. Bye-bye. 8. Informal. See you later. See ya later. 9. Take care. 10. Have a good one. Try it. Okay. 10 informal ways to say yes and no. 1. Yeah. 2. Yup. 3. 4. Uh-huh. 5. Sure. 6. Nope. 7. Nah. 8. 9. 10. No way. Alright. Here we go. Another. 10 ways to ask how someone is. 1. How are you? 2. How it's going? 3. How you doing? 4. How are things? 5. How's life? 6. How have you been? How have you been? That's it. 7. How's your family? 8. What's up? 9. What's new? 10. What have you been up to lately? What have you been up to lately? Okay? And this is how you say how you are. I'm fine, thanks. How about you? Pretty good. 3. Not bad. 4. Great. 5. Couldn't be better. 6. Can't complain. 7. I've been busy. 8. Same as always. 9. Not so great. 10. Could be better. So there's a note here. The way to respond to what's up and what's new is typically not much. Alright, so that's all for today, guys.